Placing the ball on the floor and then coming down into mermaid. So the legs traditionally, we'll have them going off to the left. And traditionally you make those two triangles. So the front foot is on kind of like by the knee. We've got a triangle in front and then a triangle behind. This doesn't work for my hips, it might not for you. So I'm just going to draw that front foot back a little. You could be kneeling, you could be cross-legged, you could be sitting. Roll the ball out and then reach the arm up over the head and releasing. Exhaling as you reach. Inhale as you draw back. Reach and draw back. Last one. Left hand down, either you take hold of the ankle or reach the arm out. And the right arm reaching up overhead. If you can't come this way, just stick with the other way. Breath in and breath out. Breath in and breath out. If you want to deepen it slightly, you can lift the left hand off the floor, take hold of the right wrist and draw the arm longer. And releasing. Into thread the needle, so just leave the ball to the side. Right hand down, so thread the needle, mermaid. Left arm up, either in alignment with the body or drawing back if you want to open more through the upper back and the chest. Then bend the supporting arm as you thread the arm through, gaze behind. Inhale as you reach the arm up in alignment with the body or slightly behind. And exhale as you thread the arm through. Inhale, reach. And exhale as you thread through. Inhale, reach. And exhale, thread through. And releasing. Changing the legs. Legs to the other side. So those two triangles if you can. Foot on the knee, other foot behind. Or draw that foot back or come into a position that works for you. Ball underneath the left hand. Or with or without, up to you. Roll the ball out. Other arm up over the head. Then rising back up as you roll the ball slightly in. Exhaling as you reach. And inhale as you rise. Exhale, reach. Inhale, rise. Roll the ball, arm overhead. Rise back up. Last one. Well done. Reach and release. Walking the right hand out or taking hold of the ankle. Opposite arm up and over the head. Trying to have this arm in alignment with the ear, not forward. You could have it slightly back if you wanted. Stay there. Or reach your right arm up, taking hold of the wrist and extending the arm a little lot longer. Breathing in and out. And breathing in and out. Rising back up. Lower the left hand to the floor. Right arm out in alignment with the body or behind you. Bend the supporting arm as you thread the arm through. Inhale as you open the arm back up. Exhaling as you thread through. Inhaling as you reach. Excellent. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach. Last one. And releasing. Drawing the legs around. So we're lying on our back in bridge position. So we're going to rise up our hips and then squeeze the ball 10 times. So we're going to squeeze the legs together and release. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then squeeze and hold. Hold for a count of 10. Make sure that the breath is flowing. Guide your hips high, but no higher. You want really your shoulders, your hips, your knees to be in alignment, maybe lower if you need to, but not higher, just to protect through the back. And release back down onto the mat. Drawing the right knee in toward the chest and straightening through the leg. So your leg might be further away than mine, might be closer. If you can reach the arms behind the back of the leg and interlace your fingers. Keep the left leg as it is, or for a deeper stretch, extend the left leg along the mat. Rotating out through the ankle in one direction, through the foot. Moving that foot in a circle, and the other way. Draw the left leg in if you had it extended, so left leg is bent on the floor. Take the right foot above the left knee and allow the right knee to part. So if you don't have a ball and you want to deepen it, lift the left foot off the floor. Take the right hand to the right knee, guide it away, left hand to the inside of the left leg. If you have a tennis ball, take that around by the hip, buttocks area. It's a big muscle, the glute. Find a slightly tender spot, stay there, or to deepen it, you can rock to the right. So we're lying on our back, our right foot is above the left knee, the right knee opens up. If you don't have a tennis ball and you want to deepen it, lift the left foot off the floor, right hand guides the right knee away, left hand to the inside of the left leg. If you do have the tennis ball, keep the left foot on the floor, find a tender spot, looking for the muscle, not the bone, there's lots of muscle there. And then roll to the right if you want to deepen it. Take breaths in. And breath out. Breath in. And breath out. Releasing back to center, release the foot. Hamstring stretch, left knee in toward the chest, left leg straightens. Stay there or reach the hands behind the back of the leg. Rotating out through the ankle, circling through the foot in one direction. And the other. Release the leg, left foot above the right knee. If you don't have the tennis ball, lift the right foot off the floor if you want to deepen it. Left hand guiding the left knee away, right hand reaching in between the legs to the inside of the right thigh. If you've got the tennis ball, take it under the left side of the body. Oh gosh, this side's much tighter than the other. Observe any differences. And if you did want to deepen it, you can rock slightly to the left. So with the tennis ball, you can either just kind of find a position, hold there. You could slightly rock, you could slightly circle. If you're rocking or circling, you're doing more self-massage. If you're finding a spot, holding, you're doing more trigger point therapy. So you're just gently squeezing the muscle, and then when you release, all those fresh blood and nutrients spread to the area, as they do really with when you're massaging as well. But trigger points kind of quite good to stay there and hold if there's a really tender spot. If you can, if you're okay with it, if it's not too painful. There should never be any shooting pains. And releasing.